Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna figure out what this chunk of wood does to a Kubota BX Mower Deck, and it's not good. So yeah, we got the last mow of the season in. About 90% in, we'll say. Until I was mowing over some leaves. Didn't see this guy. But I sure felt it. And we ran that over, made a racket, and we shut the tractor down. Not by choice. This killed the tractor. So kicked the PTO off, started back up, tried to engage the PTO again, shut her down. She was all jammed up. And so that was the end of Joe's mowing season. We said, screw the ditch, it can get mowed next year. And then we put the mower deck away, and now since we got my fancy wheels on there, I decided to clean it up and figure out what we did. Come on, let's go in. Son, honey, let's go. I'm sure you heard that in the background. Just had to go put the dogs inside there. We are in deer hunting season around here. And that sounded a little too close for comfort to have some tan dogs out running. So, back to cleaning. All right, got it cleaned up a little bit there. I wouldn't say it's like super clean, but good enough to figure out what's going on. Didn't have the pressure washer today at home, so we did her by hand, the old elbow grease way. So I'll bring the pressure washer home and finish it up after we figure out what we have going on here. I also think I might throw some ceramic coating on it to see if it sheds the grass a little easier. Stay tuned on that one. But the other thing I should have done is probably wore a belt. I apologize for that. You can see my boxers a little bit there. Thought maybe I was doing some plumbing. So after we got the mower deck off, I played with this little guy, and that guy does not turn. So I first feared we were looking at something in the gearbox, which worst case scenario on this whole deal, I think. Didn't look yet, but I'm sure that piece is not cheap. So yeah, but as I was cleaning here, you know, a poor job of cleaning. I'm not wanting to say that I am the best at that on my garden equipment. So we went, cleaned her up, and then I decided to give that one, that center one, a good old spin, and it slips the belt. So I'd like to say that is good news. So that would mean the gearbox should be not locked up. But as I got down to the corner, we found the issue. Boom. This old guy decided to rock it right on through there and try and leave right there. And I do believe that mower blade is not supposed to be on that side of the lip. And that is our issue. So we're going to figure out how to remedy that. I believe it's going to be a little hammer action. Look at that nasty little bite that took. That explains why the tractor shut down. Immovable object with some wood, and we knackered her all up. So let's see if we can get her straightened out. I am not quite equipped with the best tools at the house to get this one accomplished. So we'll give it a shot, otherwise we may have to bring in reinforcements. I'm going to try and hammer this guy back and get it over yonder ways. Otherwise, I'll just zip that guy off, and we'll probably get a new blade set for next year. That's kind of loud, so we'll get a little hearing protection. We're almost there. I don't know if you saw it, that blade flexed quite a bit. Probably should have just took it off, but I'm not that smart. Oh, would you look at that? We got some spin action. Now let's see if we can do something about that. Because it still hits there. It's not good. It's there to there. Sweet, it's fine. Fine. Thank you, wood. I mean, obviously it bent there, so maybe it'll be some weak metal and bend back. Boy, I'm kind of thankful for these wheels. If you ever need any body work on your car, call me. We're good. It's pretty good at this. A little bit here too. We just fuckered the whole thing up. Good as new. They all spin. Guess we can take these off. No, good as new. All of them spin. But I mean, that's kind of disappointing. I got probably 4 or 5, 6 hours, I don't know, of mowing on this guy. And my shiny new Kubota deck is already damaged. Why'd I do that? But, I mean, I guess we got the first dent out of the way, so who cares? We'll sand her down, throw a little Kubota orange on her, Kubota orange, and move along our merry way. Now I don't have to be all concerned. It's used tractor. It's junk now, so now we'll run her through the paces. I was waiting for that first dent. But yeah, as always, guys, thanks for watching. I enjoy that you get to come see me not be that smart and do stupid things. So if you want to see more stupid things in the future, subscribe, throw me the thumbs up, comment down below on how not smart I am in operating my tractor. Thanks, guys. Have a good night. You know, I think about this. It goes over there. That one goes there. Gone. Never to hit my mower again. But we will find more. Look, it's an all-terrain mower deck. I'm getting wet.